We're unboxing 2 people with bacatas. Yeah. That's our unboxing theme song.
Okay. Ready? Nope.
Hey guys! It's been forever since we've done, whoa there, watch it, guy, an unboxing
Of the
PRs.
Variety.
And like, we kind of were in the struggle box of like, do we do, but like they're so fun and we get them and you guys like to see them when we share them on Instagram. And so we just want to keep making videos about it because ultimately like it's PR makeup, we're telling you it's PR makeup, but it's also really cool new releases.
Right. Fun fact, if you're following us on Instagram, sometimes we do giveaways on some of our PR makeup because you guys know, like, there's an abundance of makeup that we have in this room.
If it's something that's not our preference, or if we get double of them and we feel like we don't need each to have them, then we give them away. Be sure you're following us on Instagram for that at 11thgorgeous.
And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these types of videos, or if you just like watching us. We'll appreciate that. And make sure you're subscribed and click the notification bell.
All notifications.
All notifications. There is a differentiation when you click it, so make sure you do that. All right.
You ready to cut things open and take stuff out?
Let's just do this one because we know
some small ones.
We know it's a pretty box.
It's also from Urban Decay.
All right, let's see what you got. I'm gonna open this pink box with my pink box cutter. That's how it works. Get it on. Glow, repeat.
It definitely has my name on it.
Sometimes we get stuff that has your name on it.
But also, I think we got this recently, so potentially there is another one coming with Tracy's name on it. Some brands, it's just different. It depends. It looks like it has powder on it, doesn't it?
I think it's like...
Oh, the like fuzzy things. What do you call them? Worms?
Yeah. I think that was in there. I don't know. Okay, it's the Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette is highlighter and blush. I can't. Okay.
We need to do like full faces of PR makeup, what we really think about it and stuff.
Yeah.
Because we're going to be honest with what we think about it.
Yeah.
I mean,
like, would I buy it?
Like, honestly, am I going to open up a palette from a company and be like, this is my favorite palette ever. I'm going to use all of these crazy colors. I'm going to be honest and say what I like.
Yeah.
I wouldn't use crazy colors.
Cool. That's it. Urban Decay Sin Afterglow palette. 8-hour highlighter.
Actually, we
blush.
can keep going with Urban Decay because it's right here in front of me.
Nice.
Felt a little bit out of practice in makeup.
So you're learning again?
I mean, I'm just coming back to my roots.
Pretty.
Uh-oh. Sounds like it's loosey-goosey in there. Loosey-goosey.
Loosey-goosey.
Well, it looks like there's some colored eyeliner, and it looks like it just fell out of its boxes.
Double Team Special Effect Colored Mascara for Lashes and Brows.
Oh!
This would be so fun for Hangout Fest stuff.
Should we go crazy for it?
We could.
It'd be fun to take fun pictures.
Yeah. You could just put...
Oh, so these go here. Okay, cool. There's matching eyeliner and mascara. That's what it is, Tracy.
So like on this side is Dime. Look, Dime.
Yeah.
And silver, like, eyebrow or mascara. And then this one is Gold Mine.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
This is what it's supposed to look like. Like, it has an eyeliner and a mascara for every color. So
That's interesting though, because like the gold, the gold and silver has a black one.
yeah.
Fun.
Yeah, like the pink has like this gold one here.
Yeah.
So that's interesting, but that's exciting.
Yeah, and there's an all-nighter spray.
I actually saw that Benefit came out with some colorful brow stuff too.
Yeah. All right, let's find out what this box is.
Cute.
Mac.
Ooh. That's real pretty.
Look at it.
What is it doing?
It's being a box. Okay. Oh shoot. It's all knotted up. What does it say? I can't read it.
My hair is a hot mess right now.
Me So Chic. Patrick Star!
Oh, he came out with more stuff. I knew that. Pretty.
Like all the flowers.
That's such pretty packaging.
So, ooh.
Whoa.
Look at this lipstick.
It's gorgeous.
It's in Sweet Mama Star. I love it so much. It's so dang pretty.
I love that color.
Purples. I haven't worn a purple eye in so long. That used to be my jam. Do you remember?
Like, yeah, I feel like you could do like crease, deepen it up even more,
Smoke
and
it
line
out.
it smoky.
Real pretty.
Got
Okay.
plans for this one already.
This is a pretty glitter topper in Mama Star Kiss. Maybe a Dazzle Glass?
Amplified cream. Tracy, that's your
I know.
jam.
Amplified cream is my favorite. Oh my gosh. The lip gloss. Lip Dazzle Glass.
I haven't had... those in forever.
Cool.
Awesome.
Here's a face chart. So pretty.
I'm gonna use this box.
Y'all, I love purple eyeshadow. That was a fun surprise.
When we get these boxes, I 100% always know where they're from.
Heck yeah.
Milk.
Do y'all live somewhere where people say milk?
Milk.
I want some milk.
Is that northern?
I don't know.
Live your look.
Food! Yes! What are you?
Squish
marshmallows. What did you say? What does that say? Flex?
Squish.
What does that say?
On them. Flex
on them.
Flex on them. Ooh! Concealer.
Fun. I don't think I've ever used
Oh, y'all, I love Milk PR. Like, it is so, like, hip and just clean.
It says, get full coverage with Flex. Moves with your face, never creases or cakes. I'm excited to try this. Goes from AM to PM.
Stay tuned for some giveaways on this because there's some colors that we won't be able to use.
Right.
That's another thing I think we're going to start using the giveaways for is we're going to have colors that we can't really use.
So in this fall, 2018, it will double and they're adding 8 new shades.
Nice.
So it's currently available in shades from fair to deep with undertones like peach, yellow, and golden.
I love that it's a squeezy tube, but it has a doe foot because you don't like touching. I don't like touching. I like to do this and then buff it in. What color is this? This is fair.
Okay, so currently it's like fair, light, light, medium, 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 tan, tan, warm, deep, and deep. Look, they're adding even lighter colors and even darker. Like this is what they have right now, if you can see. And
this is the lightest color.
They're adding even more.
It's like perfect. Like it's not too light to where it's gonna look super.
What does the next one up look like? Because like
next one darker?
Light, yeah.
Because this one's like not super light.
I mean, you can have that one and I'll take this one.
Okay. Are you testing it?
I just put it right there.
It's brighter?
And it's not too dark.
I mean, I know that you like yours not as white and bright as mine.
Like, look, when I put it on my face, like...
This is so cute. I don't have a reason to use this, but it just feels really clean and cute. It's really good. Try this. Is this a flavor? Banana pudding? Ew! What does that say?
Banana pudding.
Is that the flavor?
I mean, I think it is.
Yeah, I smell something banana-y in there.
Give me one.
You want to try it?
Real good. You don't want to, do you? What are you afraid of? It's gonna be yummy.
Is
this paper or is it edible or what?
It's paper. I don't know.
I'm not eating it.
Oh, the noises.
There's nuts in it. Oh my god, it's so good.
Oh, it says banana pudding, s'mores, tiramisu, Rocky Road. They're different flavors. How do you know what's what?
Oh no, it says nuts in it like it's banana.
Like banana pudding, s'mores, tiramisu. Oh wait, nuts is in Rocky Road. That's Rocky Road. So then this guy has to be tiramisu, and then that has to be, that's s'mores. I'm trying s'mores. Because there's more than one of all of them, I think.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so good.
I'm just gonna tear it because we're gonna eat them all today. Just when you think you're gonna go through this fast, they throw a curveball like food, and you're like, get in my belly. And I'm like, okay.
You're lucky you got that s'mores one. This s'mores one doesn't have the like chocolate in it like that.
We can share it.
Okay.
I mean, it's only on one side, so like
bite a chunk of that side and like. Does it taste like s'mores?
It's not bad.
Guys, I'm just gonna tell you right now.
I think you like the texture. Especially on a diet for the beach.
My favorite thing about PR makeup is when there's food. Not even the makeup.
If you want us to talk good about your brand, just send us food. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But seriously, we'll love you a little bit more for sending food.
Oh my gosh.
Just a little bit.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. I like the Rocky Road better.
Except for like I want you to put a sticker on the outside of it that says there's food inside so that it doesn't get pushed to the side for like a month or so I get it when it's fresh.
Yeah.
I'm excited to try this concealer because I've been using the Tarte Shape Tape.
Yeah.
And I want something new. I'm just feeling like I need new products, new things.
New.
Love new.
Okay, this is a fun blue box.
Is that part of it? Oh, that's the concealer.
Oh, fun!
Yes.
I need a new toothbrush.
I should have known this box. They send it in boxes like this a lot of times. Fun. This is Crest.
Refills.
Refills on stuff. We got some floss. Got some 3D White Brilliance. Can you use this one or is this one that I have to use?
Not sure.
This is one I have to use. That's super low, so I use this one.
I'll take the floss.
Take the floss, girl. I've got a recent toothbrush from them if you want it.
I'll take it because I mean, I'm using the one the dentist gives me. Okay, this is Crest 3D White with the light. And then this is just the 3D White Supreme Flex Fit.
Gotta be honest, I was wanting to whiten my teeth again, and the one that I had at home, I used half of it, and then I let it get expired, which probably still works. It's just probably not as effective. So, oh me, this is kind of a bigger one. What are you? Just from a PR company, I don't really know what you are. What are you?
L'Oreal.
Look at you with your pretty looking PR
hexagon
box. Like a stop sign, but
less
Not as many sides. I just ate it. L'Oreal Paris.
Is it skincare? Is it makeup? Is it skincare? Is it makeup?
Oh no. Are we upside down?
It pulls out. It pulls out. It's a drawer.
Skincare! They're so heavy. What? There's gotta be more than just this in here.
Lift that up.
Yes. It's not just skincare. Okay. All right, the outside is the L'Oreal Everpure sheet masks.
Fun.
And when you pull it up, it is makeup.
Sheet masks.
And hairspray. It's like everything. It's like just a L'Oreal collection.
Yeah, this says the Ultimate L'Oreal Paris Beauty Haul. Innovative hair and face masks to brow products that will instantly up your brow game. We have all your beauty needs covered.
I need this.
What is it?
It's like the primer to the...
Foundation?
Yeah.
Are there two?
No.
What is...
There's a matte one.
Oh. Honestly, I kind of need a matte one. Because
it's too shiny.
I get really shiny.
Yeah.
But I love it because it's called Infallible Matte Lock. Matte Lock was like a show.
Yeah, I know what it was. Okay, this is a luminous serum tint. There's a hairspray. There are brow highlights. There is a rosy tone cell renewal mask, which is just a mask that you put on your face. Ooh, it smells good. And then there's some brow like jellies.
Mascaras?
I think so.
Fun.
You love those.
I do.
Get out of there. Oh.
Boost and set. I want to try it.
Is that too light? Oh, is that too light?
I can't see.
It's kind of light.
It's a little bit. Let me try it.
I'm gonna even them out so I don't look
What color
goofy.
brow pencil do you use?
I use a blonde one from NYX or Covergirl, whichever one I have on hand. My brows just go darker because I use more, but it kind of just lighten them up. It feels like it comes out generously. I like the L'Oreal brow pencil. Not as much as the Covergirl one, but I do like it. It's one that I will reach for.
Same.
Excuse me. I love the Elnett Hairspray. I don't have enough use for it lately because we haven't done like photo shooty stuff, but it's so good if you really need your girl to hold. And it disappears with the stroke of a brush. We have one of these at home that's got our names like rhinestoned on it.
Got it in
and I'm
here.
just organizing it.
Cool.
Fun. It's like an entire collection of goodies.
Real fun.
Oh, it goes on both sides. Fun. What's next? Tell me something good.
What's Glam Glow?
I love Glam Glow. It's the unicorn one, isn't it?
It is.
Pony or unicorn? Is it pony?
I think it's unicorn.
Pony.
Oh, my
Pony.
little pony.
That's what it was. Yeah, it's glitter. It's glitter. It's a lunchbox though.
Okay.
Like old school lunchboxes.
I mean, you can take your lunch to work. Oh my goodness.
Yes, and it's the gravity mud and they're glittery.
Okay, so.
Princess Luna Black, the powerful princess and beauty icon. Pinkie Pie Pink, the socialite and life of the party. And Twilight Sparkle Purple, the lovable perfectionist. All right, you need the purple one.
Because I'm perfectionist.
You're a perfectionist.
It shows it on the back.
Oh, it's so fun.
I love the purple one. We should take these to market and do them one
with
night.
the girls and do because we're gonna be going with all of our peeps and do like a M&M
We'd have a mask
market.
party.
Because we joked about doing it last time we didn't, but now we have fun masks.
Yeah.
We have
cool.
to.
Cool.
And we still have the traditional ones if we want different colors, like the Power Rangers one that's golden.
Yeah, and green.
Oh, sugar scrub, not the kind you eat. It's L'Oreal.
Oh.
Because you're worth it. Them and their fancy PR. Guys, it's another, is there sugar in there? Is that sugar at the bottom?
I think it might be. It's really pretty.
This is sugar. This looks like a display you would have at a store.
I know, it's really fun.
How?
It comes out and then you could use the box below. Like, yeah, see, we could use it.
It's definitely not sugar.
Is it styrofoam?
Yeah.
Okay, but it's still really
cool.
pretty. So
So-
like, you could use this like
Fine.
storage.
So it's pure sugar scrubs and they are, where is the information?
Smooth and glow with ultra soft grapeseed to smooth away dullness for instantly glowing skin. Nourish and soften with buttery cocoa to nourish dryness for a smooth and supple feeling. And purify and unclog with gel-like kiwi.
I'm gonna guess this is kiwi, this is cocoa, and this is grapeseed? Yeah, it doesn't say. I think these are like early PR samples, potentially, because...
Well, hold on, look at the top things.
I mean, this looks like kiwi, cocoa,
Grapeseed.
and grapeseed.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously this one's kiwi.
Yeah.
And what does kiwi do?
Kiwi visibly unclog tighter looking pores and mattified skin.
I'm excited.
Cool.
I love scrubs like this.
I don't quite know how we're gonna tackle this bad boy.
I'm cleaning off the area, getting ready for her.
We're just gonna bring her up to the top.
Come on, girl.
Wait, I say that?
We can do this.
Hold on, wait, pull on my mic.
I'm just holding it so it doesn't fall. This is gonna take some teamwork. Guys, this is from Covergirl. Holy moly. I have not seen anybody get this. Have you? You have.
I have, but I haven't watched the video because I didn't want spoilers.
Okay. But like, tell me it's something good.
But Bucky saw this box and he was like, why do you need that much makeup? Is it for an army?
Hello, beautiful. Oh, I cut my face. Ow! I ripped my mic off.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Oh no, it slides out. There's no, it's a box within a box.
Pick the box up. Duh. Ah! Hold on. Pull, you pull. I don't have anywhere to go.
So far we've made it down to this. Oh, it's drawers.
It's drawers.
All right, it says lips, eyes, and skin.
Can you pull the whole drawer out and show them it?
So, yes.
Yes. Ooh. Okay, it says on top of that what it is.
Well, it's the Katy
there's
Cat.
a lot of different things.
I'm gonna tell you, it's the Katy Cat lip gloss, the Melting Pout matte liquid lipstick, the Melting Pout glitz top coat, and the Queen collection matte lipstick. Wow, I'm excited for this. The Queen
Same. It looks
collection.
really pretty, like this one.
Yes. Let's just not drop everything.
I hope our mics are okay.
Let's just give her a look-see.
I've never even seen those. Like,
No.
so really pretty.
Yeah, that's pretty. They smell like another brand of makeup, which makes me feel like I've tried this formula somewhere.
So
It's very familiar to something.
Rimmel.
Yes.
I think Cody does Rimmel.
So they're gonna have more similar stuff now
Could
because
have
they're.
crossover.
Huh. Okay.
Okay, the next drawer is eyes.
Smells like those Rimmel ones that we like. Oh, look at those cute palettes from.
Those are
Katy.
cute. I like this one. This
so
looks like
cute.
Hangout Festy.
Are they? I wonder if they're powder or not. We're gonna have
I
to
want to
play
see
with
what this
these.
primer is like.
Look at these pomades. I'm
Is there only
excited.
one blonde?
There's one blonde for each of them. Yeah. It's fine. We can buy it. Buy it anyways. We
I know, I
like
tried
it.
to buy it last time. They didn't have it at Target, remember?
Yeah, I know. I had to get. Wait.
You got NYX. You like NYX.
Yes. But then when me and Matt went, I picked up another one, just have backup, and I got Covergirl. So I got a Covergirl recently.
Okay, so that's mine. Cool. I've been sad. I've been having to
This
use.
is mine. No, I'm just kidding.
next
We
one.
do need to try this though.
Well,
in a
like I said,
video.
we should do a whole face.
I
We'll
feel
go
like we could go through this stuff and do a whole
Yeah.
face in another video of like new makeup.
full face with new PR makeup or new whatever. I don't know.
New release makeup.
Yeah.
Like, we have one more, guys.
Yeah, we do. It's a face.
It says skin, but I'm gonna assume it's like foundation and stuff, maybe. Why'd you call it skin? I'd call it face. All right, this one is Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion, Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter, Vitalist Healthy Powder, True Blend Pre-Touching Color Correcting Palette.
Look Lock Up Setting Mist and Vitalist Healthy Concealer.
I think we've gotten some of these already in another CoverGirl PR, so look out for giveaways on some of these as well.
Yeah.
Because I know for a fact we've gotten some of this stuff. I know we have this, I know we have this, and I know we have some of these.
Yeah,
So-
and we've bought some of it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Exciting. I'm excited to try their concealer. This is so fun, CoverGirl.
So fun.
Is there anything up here? There is!
Ah, we would have missed
We almost missed it. Oh my god, wait! Put it down. I can't.
Okay,
Does
turn
it
it
say
around,
that
turn it
I'm
around, turn it around.
What does it tell you that I'm strong? My face can be bold when you expect me to be weak. It can be subtle, innocent, sensual. CoverGirl. I am what I make up.
This one's current nude. There's a bunch of these, like 12.
We've had this before, the ballerina. It's a good one.
I want to touch this one really quick. Is this lighter or?
Yeah, I think so.
Fun! I wondered with the USB cord if there wasn't something digital in there.
Yeah.
Sweet. That's one of the biggest PR things we've gotten. Holy moly. Oh my goodness gracious.
Wow,
That was
we
a good unboxing.
made it.
Only one thing had food.
I know. Okay, guys, don't forget, like we said, check out our Instagram because we will be doing giveaways there on our stories. And the best way to ensure that you see it is that you're following us. You can turn notifications on there.
Yeah.
So you'll get alerted when we post stories and Instagrams. And make sure you're commenting and liking our photos. And that already enters you
For the giveaways.
giveaways.
Yeah. Don't forget to, do all of those things. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit notifications here, and we're going to talk to you guys in a video very soon.
We sure will.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. If you enjoyed this PR unboxing and would like to see more videos like it, you can click the video on the right.
And if you missed our previous video, you can click the video on the left.
And if you still haven't subscribed, just click our circular channel icon and it will sub you right up.